Heartiest congratulations, Purva. Thank you so much for doing what you are doing right now. Yeah, just go ahead, over to you. Tell us, what do you have to...
Yeah, I'm so happy, ma'am, that you have selected me today as a spotlight for the week. And actually, I was waiting for this opportunity for so many days. And it came like a true dream for me. That it is actual for me today.
Very nice, very nice.
So, and I'm so happy and so grateful to you, ma'am, for being like you as a mentor to me.
Wow. Thank you, Purva. Like you said, like many people are waiting for this opportunity, but the thing is that there are so many people who are doing so well कि मतलब every Friday it is a challenge for us कि अरे आज किसको select करेंगे हम. So finally you are here. So just tell us about your journey, and if you have a beautiful message for all the newcomers in the group, how they should be looking at their journey and how they can be just like you, doing innovative cake decorations and cake recipes. Go ahead.
Actually, ma'am, I was working since last 13 years in HR and admin department. I'm from Goa, and actually I came to Hyderabad due to my husband's job. So it is almost 6 years now. Like my daughter was very small, so I had to leave the job, and I was doing nothing, like looking after my kids and family only. So now she is 8 years old and all are going to school, and now I feel like I'm here to do something, like I have to manage both like family and also my profession. So usually I love baking. I used to bake cakes for my family, for my kids. So I thought, why not I should start in such baking only, because I feel very happy when I bake cakes or do something decorating on cakes. So one day I saw your ad, and actually I was not getting that confident to start my own home bakery. Even my friend was telling me you can start, but I was not thinking that my cakes was not like wanted to have a professional look for my cakes. So one day I came through your ad, and I thought like quickly I should join your course. And this is what the day I joined your webinar, and quickly I took the decision and started.
Lovely.
And I must say that you are beautifully designed. Your all 8 courses are very nice, very good content, and it includes baking, but along with that it includes everything: marketing, profitability, everything is there. So I must say that everyone must join this course.
Okay, thank you so much. So Purva, tell us one tip that you can share with the new people. And yeah, that's it. Anything else that you would like to share, that also you can share with us. Any one tip that has helped you make or take these kind of orders, Purva?
And stand out from the competition, like as you say, every day you have to think out of the box. Marketing, along with the baking, marketing plays a very important role. So you have to think in that way that you can impress your customer. That baking, everything you can do, but different design, new flavors you have to implement.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So you are asking them to stand out from the competition. So today's session is definitely worth it for them. Yeah.
Yes. And today also I learned something new from you. I was not knowing that there is also a bakery for dogs.
Especially in metro cities. I'm not sure about other cities. But in Mumbai, at least, I see that culture where people are becoming more pet friendly. So like there are some of couples that I've seen who are not even wanting to have their own kids, but they want to have like 3-4 cats and 3-4 dogs, and they want to become a pet parent. And these are like high-end, like disposable income is really good. They are working very well. Both of them are working very well. So that disposable income is so more that they are ready to spend any kind of money for these kind of.
Yes, it's very true.
It is there for this as well. Yeah.
And lastly, ma'am, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And also to my husband, my kids, my family, and my friend Sujata. She is always being inspiring me. And also my elder sister Didi. And my community members, I must not forget them also. And my society people also, they are also very good. they like the taste, because when I sold so many pastries in stalls, everyone liked it and they said very tasty, and it's a good feedback I got from them.
Lovely.
So I'm very, very happy for that.
Lovely. It is like you got that initial push, no? You got that confidence that yes, this is the right path that you are in. So beautiful. Purva, thank you so much for sharing those amazing thoughts. It was really encouraging for other people as well. I hope you get many cake orders in coming few days, coming few months, right? And I would really like to do a Hall of Fame interview with you, a detailed Hall of Fame interview with you.
Yeah, I'm also hoping so.
Okay, so keep making more and more cakes, keep making more and keep taking more and more cake orders. So once that 25 cake orders is done, let us go ahead and chat with each other one-on-one.
Yeah, recently I have also got one order now. I have to deliver on Sunday, a classical dance theme cake.
Wow. Nice. So just keep posting your work in the group and keep inspiring other people as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Purva. Take care. Bye.